بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. خاد خاد دخج تخد دخج خادج أجخ خاتث جحد دجخ ثخد جأث بجث أبخ دأث جحخ بدج خاتث حجد تثح أحخ أبج ثأخ دأج جأث بجد ثتج حدخ جدخ أبد ثجث ددخ أدخ ثخج. In addition to that, I would like you to memorize the following rhyme. أبتث حخج أبتث حخج. And repeat this to yourself, utilizing the tune of A, B, C, D, E, F, G. أبتث حخج أبتث حخج أبتث حخج أبتث حخج أبتث حخج أبتث حخج. If you can say this to yourself multiple times a day, the next lesson will be extremely easy, inshallah. Don't forget, memorizing means you can say it without looking. This is put into the form of a song so that we can memorize it easily. How to memorize? Later on, we'll go through exactly how to memorize using the correct method, but I'll briefly explain right here. You look at it one time, saying the entire song using only these 7 letters. Look at it. Then you say the same thing without looking at it. Do it again, looking at it, the entire song. Then do the entire song without looking at it. Then look at it again and do the entire song. Do it one more time, looking at it, the entire song. Now you've done it 3 times, looking, and 3 times not looking. Which means you have memorized it. After you have memorized it, it's extremely important that throughout your day, you say it again, the entire song, without looking at it. If you can walk away from this, wait a few hours when you're doing something else, after your salah, after you make dua, or after you're done eating, or as soon as you wake up, before you go to bed, if you can say this to yourself without looking at it, then you have definitely memorized it. If you're not able to say that, that's okay. You still memorized it once. Then you forgot it, which means you simply need to revise it. And how do you revise it? By doing the same thing as if you're memorizing it for the first time. You go and you say the whole thing looking at it. Then you say it without looking at it. Then you say it looking at it. Then you say it without looking at it. And you say it looking at it. And you say it without looking at it. 3 times total. Now you have re-memorized it, which means you have revised it. And after you have revised it a few times, the memory will get stronger each time. Once it is memorized firmly, meaning that you can say it at any time, any place, anywhere, quickly, without hesitation, that means you are now ready for the next lesson, because you have memorized it firmly. And that's the goal. 3 easy steps read,
read,
recite,
recite,
revise.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله